This is Malik giving a tutorial on replacing an LCD screen for an HP 15-F033WM. I've got all my tools here. Got a Phillips head, small size from a little toolkit here. And I have got a pry tool right here to get the screen off. And I've also got my screen, which I got from Screen Country, right here. All right. You're going to notice right here and here are where your screw points are. Here and here to first get it open. So you pop those off using your nail. And then the other one right here. There you go. Keep those handy because you will need those later to stick back on. You're going to take your screws out here and here. You can also use duct tape so you know where your screws were. Once you take them out, but this doesn't have many screws, so it should be pretty easy. Once those two screws are out, you can take your pry tool and start to carefully pry the plastic cover for the LCD off. You got to make your way all the way around. You just got to be pretty careful because the plastic is pretty delicate. So just slowly make your way around the clips. It will then reveal your other screws for your brackets off of the LCD. Just lean this back here so I can get the bottom part. A little sticky right there, then it just pops off. Alright, pop that off there. That's going to reveal your remaining screws. You have a screw here, 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 and here, here, and here. So just 4 more screws once you take your plastic cover off. It's handy to have your magnetic Phillips head. That way you don't lose any screws. They don't fall where you can't find them. Alright, we got those 4 screws out. Now we need to take our LCD out, grabbing it by our brackets here where the screws came out. Now it's still going to be attached to the LCD cable right here. So you carefully peel back this plastic here. And slide out the LCD cable right here. This is our bad screen, so we're going to get that out the way. Here's our new screen. We're just going to basically put it in the right same spot, match up the brackets. You want to make sure to order the one with the brackets so it screws right into place where it was before. You can see there the brackets at the bottom, same ones at the top. Be careful not to touch the front of the screen to dirty it up. Going to slide in that LCD cable here. You want to make sure to get it nice and tight, but also be careful that you don't harm any of the connectors. They're very delicate. You're going to line the cable up over here with the back plastic, just like it was before. And then lift your LCD up. And line it up with your brackets. Let's get that screwed in. Move that on out the way. Get our screws. Start with the top one so I'll have something to hang on to. Right. There we go. Put our little screw in right here. Okay. I got a couple more to go for the inside. Now from here, once you get your two bottom screws in, before you put your plastic back on, you're going to want to turn it on and make sure there's no defects in your screen and your LCD cable got connected in nicely. But pretty much from here, it's just a matter of putting your plastic on and screwing in those two screws and putting the covers back on. But at this point, hard part is done. Again, this was a tutorial for replacing an LCD screen on an HP 15-F033WM that I got from ScreenCountry.com. Great company. Thank you guys.